Have you ever started your morning thinking, I'm being productive, only to feel drained, distracted, and behind by noon? Here's the truth: not every healthy or motivational morning habit actually helps you. Some of them quietly kill your focus, your confidence, and your energy before your day even begins. You think you're winning the morning, but in reality, these habits are secretly setting you up to lose the day. Let's talk about it. Because mornings aren't just a time of day, they're your foundation. They decide how you think, how you feel, and how you show up for the next 12 hours. And if that foundation is cracked, even the strongest motivation won't stand. The problem is, we've been fed this perfect image of what successful mornings look like. Cold showers, 5 a.m. alarms, 10-step routines. You scroll through social media, and it feels like everyone's got their life together before sunrise. But here's the thing: your morning doesn't need to look successful. It needs to feel grounded. Once you understand which habits secretly work against you, you'll stop copying what everyone else is doing. And start building a routine that actually fuels you. So let's expose them, the habits that pretend to help, but really don't. You tell yourself, I'm just checking the time. But 5 minutes later, you're deep in your notifications, scrolling through texts, emails, or social media. And before you even get out of bed, your mind's already been hijacked. Here's what's really happening. You've started your day reacting, not creating. You've absorbed everyone else's priorities, opinions, and problems, before you've even remembered your own. And now, instead of asking, what do I want to do today? Your brain is asking, what are they doing that I'm not? That's not motivation. That's comparison. And it quietly steals your peace. If you want to protect your mental space, try this. For the first 20 to 30 minutes after waking up, don't touch your phone. Let your mind arrive before you let the world in. Because that silence, that calm space, is where true focus begins. This one looks great on paper. You wake up early, meditate, read, journal, work out, plan your goals, all before breakfast. It seems productive. It feels disciplined. But here's the dark side: sometimes what you call self-improvement is actually self-pressure. You've turned your morning into a performance, something you can either win or fail. So when you skip meditation one day, or shorten your workout, you feel like you've already lost. And it's not even 8 a.m. yet. That's not growth, that's burnout in disguise. Improvement shouldn't feel like punishment. You don't need 10 perfect habits before sunrise. You just need 1 or 2 that center you, that make you feel present. Remember this: the goal of your morning isn't to impress your future self. It's to support your current one. I know, this one hurts. You wake up groggy, and that first sip of coffee feels like life itself. But here's the problem: when you drink coffee before water, you're giving energy to a dehydrated body. Caffeine spikes your cortisol, your stress hormone, especially in that first hour after waking up. That means your body goes into alert mode before it's even balanced. You get a quick boost, sure. But what comes next? The crash. That mid-morning fog, that sudden dip in energy, it's not random. It's chemistry. You don't need to quit coffee. Just delay it. Drink a full glass of water first. Give your body what it needs before what it craves. Small shift. Massive difference. You wake up and instantly go into problem-solving mode. You check your emails. You scroll your to-do list. You start working before you've even looked out the window. It feels like hustle. It feels like control. But really, you've just told your brain, today is already stressful. Because the energy you start your day with becomes the energy that carries you through it. When your first thought is, I'm behind, or I have too much to do, your body listens. Heart rate rises. Focus drops. Calm disappears. So instead of jumping straight into chaos, Take 5 quiet minutes. Stretch. Breathe. Look outside. Just be. You're not wasting time, you're reclaiming it. And that simple pause turns your morning from reactive to intentional. You see, the truth about morning habits is simple. What matters isn't how productive they make you look. It's how peaceful they make you feel. Because focus doesn't come from forcing discipline. It comes from creating space. From letting your mind and body align before the noise begins. So ask yourself, is my morning serving me or draining me? Am I building peace or performing productivity? That difference might be the reason you feel exhausted halfway through every day. Here's your takeaway. Protect your mornings like sacred ground. They're the one part of your day you truly own, before the world gets a say. Don't start by consuming. Start by connecting, with your breath, your thoughts, yourself. Because a peaceful morning creates a powerful mind. And remember, you don't need to wake up earlier to change your life. You just have to wake up better. If this message hit home, try this tomorrow. Before you touch your phone, take one deep breath and ask yourself, what do I need today to feel calm and clear? You'll be surprised how different your day feels when you decide how it starts. Drop a sun in the comments if you're done performing perfect mornings. And ready to build real ones that give you peace, purpose, and energy. And if this helped you see mornings differently, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a reset. Because sometimes, fixing your life doesn't start with doing more. It starts with doing less. But doing it right.